fourth class. So this is our next topic, 2.6, exercise 2.6. In the earlier video we have completed till exercise 2.5. 2.6, sum number 1 to 20. Sum number 1 to 20 you will solve it on your books only. And how to solve the sum? It is all about subtraction, and this is subtraction with borrowing. That means you have to borrow from your neighborhood digit if the smaller digit is written above and the greatest below. Now you will see here, start subtracting from the right side. 7 minus 5 is 2. Greatest digit is written above and smallest is below, so we can subtract it easily. Otherwise, in the left side, 8 is smaller and 9 is greater than 8, so subtraction is not possible. In this case you have to borrow 1 from the 100 place digit, that is 3. So 3 will become 2, and again 2 have to take carry from again the neighborhood digit, that is 6. 6 will become 5 because 6 is also smaller than 8. Then again it will take borrow from the left digit, that is 6. Again it will become 15, and all these smaller digit in the upper portion have taken the carry ultimately from the last number, that is 5. So 5 will be left with 4. Now you can subtract it from the borrowed digit. 18 minus 9 is 9, 12 minus 4 is 8, 15 minus 8 is 7, 15 minus 8 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this was the example. Let's come to the sum number 1. In this sum you can see from the right side, always start from the right side. Subtraction, you will always start from the right side. 4 minus 8, 4 will become 14 by taking 1 from the borrowing one digit from the left side. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus, after giving 1 to it, 10. It was 10. It was supposed to be 10, but after giving 1 to 14, it is left with 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Next 7 is left with 6 because it has given 1 to the right side digit. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. By this way, or by taking help from your parents, you can solve all these sums. As much as you will solve by yourself, it will give you a great practice of these subtraction sums with borrowing. If you have any problem, you can ask. And sum number 21 to 24, it is also in syllabus. These are also in syllabus. So sum number 21 to 25 I have solved here. Again, this is nothing but subtraction of borrowing. So you will have to take care that you will write the greater number above and smaller below. You will write greater number above and smaller below, only then you can subtract. So in this way you will have to write these 21 to 25 on your notebooks. You can note it down from here and can match your answers also. Now come to the next exercise. 2.7 is not in your syllabus. You will directly move to the 2.8. 1 to 5 sums. 1 to 5 sums are in the syllabus of 2.8. So we will first discuss 1 to 5 sums and then we'll look at the solution. First sum is in an election. Mr. Kamath got this much vote and Mrs. Kapoor got this much votes. Who got more votes? So if I say you have, your brother has 5 apples and you have 3 apples, you can, how you will find that who has more apples and by how much? किसके पास कितने ज़्यादा हैं और कितने ज़्यादा हैं? You will find it by subtracting. So we will subtract both the numbers given here by putting the greater number above and smaller below. Only then the subtraction is possible. Now sum number 2. A shopkeeper earns rupees this 2,50,920 in 1 year. And his expenses mean the money spent by him. उसके खर्चे, अलग अलग चीज़ों पे खर्चे कितने उसके, कितना उसने खर्च किया है. That is 1,86,289. So how much money is left? उसकी अर्निंग में से स्पेंट मनी एक्सपेंसेस जो है माइनस कर देंगे. सो यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद द saving, his saving or money left with him in the end. Next is third sum. What is the difference between, difference means subtraction, you will do subtraction here also, between the largest 4-digit number. So if I ask what is the largest 4-digit number, that is 9999, and smallest 6-digit number is 100000. So you will subtract both by writing greater number above which has more digits. Next is sum number 4. Mr. William bought a house for this rupees. He sold it for, उसने इतने का हाउस ख़रीदा 8,56,780 और सोल्ड किया, बेच दिया. कितने लॉस पे बेचा उसने, उसको कितना लॉस हुआ, 1,50,000 लेस दैन व्हाट ही पेड. जितना उसने पे किया था उस हाउस के लिए, इतना उसने लेस पे बेच दिया. तो उसने कितने अमाउंट पे घर बेचा है. एक्चुअल अमाउंट क्या है जिस पे जो उसको मिला घर बेचने के बाद, सेल करने के बाद, दैट वी विल गेट आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग बोथ द नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज द सम ऑफ 2 numbers is 80,051 and 1 number is this. Find the other. This you will also subtract both the numbers and will get the other numbers. So this was all about this exercise. Now look at the solution of these sums. I have solved it here for you. Note it down on your notebooks. Word problems of exercise 2.8. Sum number 1 and 2. Then sum number 3 and 4. After that, sum number 5 of exercise 2.8. Sum number 5.